The number of drones occupying the airspace is expected to increase significantly in the coming years. Vorpal is an Israeli startup that offers drone detection and geolocation tracking solution, all in near real time.
Our flagship product provides drone monitoring systems from different industries, from law enforcement to airports to energy facilities, and as such, we allow them to monitor their drones operating in their airspace. Going down the road, what we look is to be part of the infrastructure for commercial drone operations and to provide them the right infrastructure to fly safely in those urban environments. We need the infrastructure to provide this in real time with low latency and high throughput. And AT&T is providing us the right infrastructure to do that, the network edge compute, which will enable us to be prepared for the future already today.
So what we're doing today is demonstrating what we call network edge compute. The acronym is NEC, but network edge compute is the technology. AT&T's network is at the core of this solution, and in this case, it's LTE. We've taken Microsoft's compute infrastructure and basically co-located that with our access. At its core, network edge compute is all about pushing that compute infrastructure deep into our network.
Customers should care about Network Edge Cloud because it allows you to do a lot of things you couldn't do before. Things like enabling AR use cases without having big bulky headsets that you have to wear. Things like enhanced navigation for vehicles without having to pay for additional hardware. It allows you to offload a lot of the computer load that you would have for compute-heavy applications into the network edge. It allows to drive down costs, improve productivity. It's important because it allows you to do things you otherwise wouldn't be able to.
The scalability of the cloud and the other benefits provided by the cloud solution on a very robust infrastructure. It is exactly the definition of what any such solution will require. And we are more than satisfied with the results.
It's win-win for everybody. We have a use case that we can validate network edge compute in a large scale, and Vorpal can try to build their roadmap going forward in order to support the UTM marketplace when we have drone deliveries to everybody at home.